Hi, I'm Alexis and I'm the Senior Food Specialist here at Tasty. Today I'm going to show you how to make my chicken teriyaki crispy rice noodle bowl. I love chicken teriyaki, but it can often feel so heavy to me, and I wanted to make it in a way that felt lighter and a little more exciting. So I think using the fried noodles, incorporating some of these other really fresh toppings, makes it feel fresh and exciting while still having that really incredible flavor from the teriyaki sauce. So to start this recipe, you're going to make the teriyaki sauce. It's really simple. You're whisking a few ingredients together and set it aside. So I used really thin vermicelli noodles for this. So you want to make sure that you're taking small portions of the noodles off. If you put the whole thing in, it's not going to fry correctly. Break it apart, take a handful of the dried noodles before you start to fry. You also want to fry the noodles in batches so that they all get evenly cooked. If you overcrowd the pan, they're going to get burnt. So whenever you're frying, you really want to make sure it's the right temperature so you get the right consistency and that it cooks through. We tried frying these noodles at different temperatures, and too low and nothing happens. They just become like oily noodles. If it's too high, the noodles will get brown really fast. So you really want to use a thermometer. So the rice noodles are going to cook really, really fast. As soon as they've expanded, you can use a slotted spoon to remove them onto a sheet tray. Once you fry the vermicelli noodles, they just get this incredible crunch, which I personally love. So once your noodles are fried, you can move on to the chicken. You're gonna salt and pepper the chicken. Add it to a wok. And at this point, then you're gonna add that reserved teriyaki sauce. This takes a few minutes and the chicken's gonna get really shellacked with this incredible sauce. It's gonna be deep and flavorful, and it's truly such a good sauce. You could just kind of drink it if you wanted. I think the joy of this dish is that it has a ton of flavor, but that it's really easy to do. Frying, sure, will take a few minutes, but honestly, you could do this for under an hour. This could be a weeknight meal that's more interesting than takeout, and it's more interesting than your usual chicken teriyaki. Once you're done with the chicken, you can serve it over the noodles. I added some stuff like snap peas, radishes, scallions, but you can top it with whatever you like. You can also just make the chicken on your own. You could make the rice noodles on their own and put other toppings, something like shrimp or vegetarian stir fry. It's a really versatile recipe. These noodles are worth making on their own. The chicken teriyaki is worth making on its own. But if you make it and use other ingredients, other toppings, let us know in the comments. We want to see what you're making at home.